Let me fill my Facebook lead ads form and you will see the magic of this automation where I will be automatically receiving this lead over my Google Sheet. So here I have filled this form providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. And here on my Google Sheet, I'm successfully receiving the data of my lead having the full name, test lead, email, phone number and the cities. So you can see that as soon as someone has filled my Facebook lead ads form, an automated entry is received over my Google Sheet. So you can also automate your Google Sheet by just using Pabbly Connect. And no worries, you can create this automation within few minutes without requiring any coding or technical skills. You just have to integrate Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. Now for creating this automation, you have to open your browser and type the URL of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And here we are on the official website of Pabbly Connect where we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. Means you can create this automation and try it for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly plan, then I'm going to provide an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, which I have got by accessing Pabbly Connect. And here it is asking me to select my trigger application. So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So right here in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant and click over this connect button. Now here for building the new connection, you have to select this button of add new connection and click over this button, that is connect with Facebook lead ads. And right here I'm going to select my Facebook account which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So I have selected this continue button, and now again I have to click over this continue button and make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly for getting a smoother experience. And here on my Facebook account, I have created this page named as the Magic Makers where I'm going to receive my new leads. So now let's select the page, and right after I have to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I'm going to select it as new leads. And if you want to receive leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now here I have to select the response format as simple and click over the save and send test request. And right here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now let's provide the webhook data. So for that we are on the Meta for developers page. We are on the resources, we have to select this option for developer tools, and here on this page we have to select this tool, that is lead ads at you debug tool, which is leading us to the lead ad testing tool page, where again we have to select the page, that is the Magic Makers, and the same form which I have just selected. So here I have selected it. Now let me delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And right here the lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button and get our Facebook lead ads form, which I'm going to fill again. So here I have filled this form providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form. And right here the form has been successfully submitted. Now I must have received my new lead in my Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to add that lead in my Google Sheet. So here on my Pabbly Connect, you can see that we are receiving this response, and this response consists of all the details of my lead. Now let's add this lead to the Google Sheet. So for that, I'm going to use my action application followed by this trigger application. That is going to be Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as add new row and click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account. But I'm going to go through my existing connection. And now here we have to select the spreadsheet. So here I'm going to select this spreadsheet, that is Facebook leads, where I want to save the data. So here you can see that this is the sheet where I want to add the details of my lead. Now we are getting all these fields. So here we have to provide the details of our lead, but we are not going to do it manually because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads, as this is my previous application, and the process is so simple. You just have to press this slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, let's map the first name, provide the space, and now I'm going to map the last name too, and likewise I'm going to map the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over your Facebook lead ads form. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response, and here on my Google Sheet I'm successfully receiving the data of my lead. So now you can see that how easily I have automated this process, by using which I'm adding my leads directly to the Google Sheet. And now as soon as someone will fill your Facebook lead ads form, the data will be automatically added to your Google Sheet. So this is the way you can also automate your lead entry over your Google Sheet by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate your entire business process. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.